Hi, Mrs. Vasquez. Sometimes when we're at school, we have really itchy noses and sometimes we just have to sneeze. Can you show us the right way to sneeze, even if you have a mask on?
Sure, we're gonna sneeze into our elbows like a vampire. Achoo!
Oh, good. What about if I have a cough and my mom says I shouldn't spread my germs around and I'm coughing and coughing? What do I do then?
Oh my goodness, even if we're wearing our masks, we're gonna cough into our elbows because that's the safe way to cough.
Very good. That's the way we keep everybody safe.